The system is constructed of high-grade 304 stainless steel and is built ozone safe to meet International Bottled Water Association regulations and other federal guidelines. As with all of Norland's equipment, system controls are simple, clearly labeled, and located at eye level for easy viewing. Solid-state electronics continually monitor the system's functions for efficient and trouble-free operation. Once the water has been heated, the operator places the first dirty bottle into the automatic advancing track and depresses the start cycle button. This initiates the washing process, which moves the bottle into the detergent wash area. During this phase, the bottle will be washed both internally and externally under high pressure by a 1/2 horsepower stainless steel pump. Like Norland's BW150, the BW60 also employs the use of the unique lift and spin action during both the wash and sanitize cycles. A high-pressure internal spray slightly lifts the bottle from the bottle holding device, while at the same time an exterior spray is positioned at a precise angle to make the bottle spin in a rapid motion. This feature ensures a thoroughly cleaned exterior and interior of the bottle. The wash cycle takes place during a 60-second timed period. Dirty bottles move around the track system in 60-second intervals. After the wash cycle is complete, the bottles advance to the sanitizer section of the washer. This stage ensures that your bottles are completely cleaned and sanitized prior to final rinse. During the sanitizing stage, the bottle automatically completes a 60-second sanitizing process, just as it did during the wash cycle. As with the washing stage, each bottle is thoroughly sanitized by the unique lift and spin feature to ensure a fully disinfected bottle. Another feature of the BW60 is the system's dual-stage final rinse. This feature allows for 2 7-second product water rinses of each bottle, making for the most thoroughly cleaned bottle available. The BW60 comes complete with 2 1/2 horsepower stainless steel high-pressure pumps for water delivery, heavy-duty wheel rollers for easy machine movement, standard plexiglass view windows, and solid-state electronic controls. Once the bottles have been washed, sanitized, and rinsed, they're ready to be filled on the Norland Model BWF60 bottle washer, filler, capper is another good example of Norland's unique approach to entering this profitable industry. By using the BWF60, an operator can wash, fill, and cap up to 60 3- or 5-gallon bottles in just 1 hour, all with computer-controlled accuracy. The operation of the BW60 bottle washer couldn't be easier. The first step is to power up the system by turning the on-off switch into the on position. This simple switch is both the main power on and also can be used as an emergency stop button if necessary. After the switch has been turned to the on position, it will take approximately 20 minutes to heat the water in the wash tank to the required 130 to 140 degree Fahrenheit operating temperature. Unlike other small bottle washers, the BW60 comes with its own built-in water heater to provide properly and consistently heated water. In addition, an easy visual inspection of the wash water temperature gauge can ensure the system is operating correctly. Once the water has been heated, the operator places the first dirty bottle into the automatic advancing track and depresses the start cycle button. This initiates the washing process, which moves the bottle into the detergent wash area. During this phase, the bottle will be washed both internally and externally under high pressure by a 1/2 horsepower stainless steel pump. Like Norland's BW150, the BW60 also employs the use of the unique lift and spin action during both the wash and sanitize cycles. A high-pressure internal spray slightly lifts the bottle from the bottle holding device, while at the same time an exterior spray is positioned at a precise angle to make the bottle spin in a rapid motion. This feature ensures a thoroughly cleaned exterior and interior of the bottle. The wash cycle takes place during a 60-second timed period. Dirty bottles move around the track system in 60-second intervals. In addition, the wash basin is fitted with a removable fine mesh screen to stop any large debris from entering the basin and fouling the operation of the pump, or leaving a dirty film on the bottles. After the wash cycle is complete, the bottles advance to the sanitizer section of the washer. This stage ensures that your bottles are completely cleaned and sanitized prior to final rinse. During the sanitizing stage, the bottle automatically completes a 60-second sanitizing process, just as it did during the wash cycle. As with the washing stage, each bottle is thoroughly sanitized by the unique lift and spin feature to ensure a fully disinfected bottle. Another feature of the BW60 is the system's dual-stage final rinse. This feature allows for 2 7-second product water rinses of each bottle, making for the most thoroughly cleaned bottle available. The Norland Model BWF60 bottle washer, filler, capper is another good example of Norland's unique approach to entering this profitable industry. By using the BWF60, an operator can wash, fill, and cap up to 60 3- or 5-gallon bottles in just 1 hour, all with computer-controlled accuracy. The semi-automatic bottle filler. This versatile filler is capable of filling bottles ranging in size from 3 to 5 gallon. The standard filler is designed to manually fill up to 60 3- to 5-gallon bottles per hour with only one operator. An optional small bottle adapter kit is also available for short production runs of PET bottles as well. The BF60 is constructed of heavy-duty stainless steel, PVC food-grade rollers, and utilizes all FDA-approved materials. Its construction is durable and is designed to offer years of reliable service. To begin with, the operator removes the bottles from the BW60 bottle washer and places the clean bottles on the filler roller conveyor and under the stainless steel filling nozzles. Once in position, the stainless steel ball valve is manually opened to initiate the filling process. As the bottle begins to fill, the operator may reduce the flow rate of the water through the ball valve so that better control may be maintained. Once the desired water level is achieved, the operator closes the ball valve to complete the filling process. After the bottle is filled, the operator pushes the bottle down the roller conveyor and under the stainless steel cap chute, where the push-on style cap is tightly applied. To complete the bottling process, the bottle is then pushed underneath the lever-action manual cap press, where the cap is securely fixed to the top of the crown neck bottle. Our model BWF 150 washer filler capper is a good example of how the practical application of Norland's innovative thinking has led to the development of a system that delivers exceptional value. Using the BWF 150, a single operator can wash, fill, and cap up to 180 3- or 5-gallon bottles in just 1 hour, all with computer-controlled accuracy. Constructed primarily of stainless steel and other food-grade approved materials, the BWF 150 is built ozone safe to meet state and federal guidelines as well as International Bottled Water Association regulations. The operation of the BW 150 is simple. The first step is to release the red main control switch on the front of the washer header board. Once the green heat temperature light has become eliminated, the washing process can begin. To begin the washing process, the operator places 2 bottles onto the automatic advancing conveyor track, then depresses the start button. Another outstanding feature of the BW 150 is the unique lift and spin action of the wash cycle. This may be the most impressive feature of the entire system. In the bottled water industry, one of the most critical factors in a well-presented product is the correct and thorough washing of all bottle surfaces. Unlike most bottle washers, the BW 150 sprays high-pressure water inside the bottle, which slightly lifts it from the holding device. The exterior spray jets are strategically positioned to spray water at a precise angle to make the bottle spin in a rapid motion, ensuring a thoroughly cleaned exterior and interior of the bottle. We feel this helps the BW 150 provide the cleanest bottle in the industry. The wash cycle takes place during a 69-second period. Dirty bottles move along the track system in 23-second intervals. The wash cycle has 3 23-second wash stages to ensure proper cleaning and draining of wash water from the bottle. After the wash cycle is complete, the bottles advance to the sanitizer section of the washer. This stage ensures that your bottles are completely cleaned and sanitized prior to final rinse. During this stage, bottles automatically move through a 69-second sanitizing process, just as they did during the wash cycle. Again, each bottle undergoes 3 23-second spray stages and the unique lift and spin feature to ensure a fully disinfected bottle. Another thoughtfully designed feature of the BW 150 is the system's dual-stage final rinse. This feature acts to give 2 full product water rinses of each bottle, making for the most thoroughly cleaned bottle available. This stage allows for 2 4-second product water rinses to spray into and outside the bottles to flush out any residual wash or sanitizing chemical and prevent chemical carryover. Compare the BWF 150 to any other washer filler system in its class, and we are confident this will be your choice for many years of reliable service. After the bottles have been washed, sanitized, and rinsed, they are ready to be filled on the BF 150 semi-automatic bottle filler. This versatile filler is capable of filling bottles ranging in size from 16-ounce to 5-gallon. The standard filler is designed to fill up to 180 3- or 5-gallon bottles per hour with only one operator. The BF 150 is constructed of heavy-duty stainless steel, and all components in contact with the water are constructed of FDA-approved materials. Its construction is durable and is designed to offer years of reliable service. To begin the filling process, the operator removes the bottles from the BW 150 bottle washer and places the clean bottles on the filler roller table and under the 2 stainless steel filling nozzles. Once in position, the fill button is depressed and water begins to fill the bottles. The BF 150 features 2 sets of filling valves for each nozzle, a fast fill and a slow fill nozzle. When filling large bottles, both valves are utilized for a portion of the filling process. When the bottle is nearly full, the large valve closes to prevent water overfills and wastage. When the desired amount of water has been filled into the bottle, the smaller valve then closes. The bottles are then rolled under the cap chute, which places a cap on the bottle. The cap is securely placed on the bottle by the pneumatic ram. The filled and capped bottle is then ready for delivery or for storage for delivery at a later time. The BF 150 is also available with a small bottle option for the filling and capping of 335 milliliter up to 1-gallon bottles. The option includes side rails to hold the bottles in proper alignment when being filled, and a cap chute for placing the caps on the bottles so the caps can be easily tightened. Up to 350 to 400 small bottles can be filled per hour with the small bottle guide. Norland International ozone generator systems are designed specifically for high-quality bottled water applications. The standard Norland systems are frame-mounted and are sized to deliver up to 4.4 grams of ozone per hour, enough to properly treat up to 27 gallons or 102 liters per minute. Larger systems are available upon request. These compact systems are designed to keep ozone residuals in the water to be bottled in the 0.1 to 0.4 ppm level. All systems utilize air-cooled, cold-spark corona discharge ozone generators coupled with the highest quality oxygen preparation units. This technology allows the production of high concentrations of ozone while a minimum of heat is generated. This feature eliminates the need for additional water cooling mechanisms for the ozone tubes. Norland systems are reliable, cost-effective, and easy to maintain. The product water is drawn from a storage tank by the stainless steel repressurization pump. The pressurized product water is then injected with ozone into the Mazzy injector. The system is designed for effective mixing and mass transfer of the ozone and product water prior to entering the contact tank. The 55-gallon, 208-liter stainless steel contact tank further maximizes the mass transfer of the ozone into the product water. Larger contact tanks are available to fit specialized applications. The systems are designed and constructed for a long, durable, and trouble-free life with a minimum of maintenance. The ozone-tolerant components and stainless steel frame will ensure a great appearance for the life of the system. The systems are available in 220-volt single or three-phase operation. The ozone system from Norland International is ideal for many small to medium-sized bottling operations. Please contact Norland to order your system today. The Norland Shrink Pack 3000 is an automatic multifunction shrink wrapping system capable of producing up to approximately 12 packages per minute using a heat-shrinkable polyethylene film. Main package configurations are either 3x2, 3x4, or 6x4 dimensions. The system utilizes either an automatic feed conveyor or manual feed option, along with state-of-the-art electronics to produce packages of virtually any other format. The system is composed of an alignment table, a seal bar area, and an electronic heat tunnel with a stainless steel conveyor track. The alignment table consists of an optical sensor, bottle gate, push cylinder, and a high-efficiency heat controller that accurately maintains the temperature of the seal bar. All motions on the alignment table are controlled by a state-of-the-art microprocessor-based CPU. The CPU ensures accurate centralized control of all outputs while giving the operator statistical information regarding the production of the system. To begin with, the system uses either an automatic conveyor or a manual tray feed option to move the bottles onto the alignment table. For automatic alignment, a pre-programmed width of product is entered into the main control pad. This information then activates the system to begin forming the first row of the case. This alignment process is then repeated until the desired case format is formed. For manual tray feed, bottles are placed into the corrugated tray, then pushed into the push bar area where they await further transfer through the polyethylene plastic film. After the bottles have been placed in the correct formation or into the tray, they're pushed into the polyethylene film, are sealed, and cut to form an envelope around the package. The unique seal bar device has three main functions. The first function is to fuse the front side of the plastic envelope to form the first side of the package. The second function is to cut the plastic material to separate the individual packages, while the third function is to fuse the back side of the plastic material to form the front side of the subsequent package. When the package has been sealed and cut, it is then pushed onto the stainless steel conveyor, which leads the package into the automated heat tunnel. The heat tunnel is also constructed of high-quality 304 stainless steel and solid-state electronics. All functions are at eye level for easy viewing. The system is designed to provide maximum heat transfer with a minimum operating cost. During this phase, the packages are transferred into the heat tunnel on the stainless steel conveyor system. This stainless steel conveyor provides for years of reliable service with little or no maintenance. The heat tunnel area is efficiently and effectively insulated with Owens Corning TIW Type 1 insulation to maintain the heat within the heat tunnel and also to protect the operator from external heat dangers. As the package moves down the conveyor, it passes through the insulating silicon oven curtain. The curtain helps to keep the heat inside the tunnel, while at the same time it allows the packages to pass through without obstruction. Once inside the heat tunnel, a series of radiant heat ink alloy heating elements generate the precise temperature to create an environment where the plastic material will shrink tightly around the package. After the heating process is complete, the package continues to move down the conveyor until it exits the heat tunnel. Once the package has exited the tunnel, it moves under a pair of high-velocity air fans, which reduce the surface temperature of the plastic to make the package even more rigid. For ease of bottle movement, an optional 90-degree curved conveyor, shown here, can also be added to the system. For reduced packaging costs and increased productivity, there's just no match for the Norland Shrink Pack 3000 shrink packaging system.
That's a lot of money when they haul freight or haul truck freight. But I'm saying always kind of right now it's around $35. I want to be able to that time one truckload a day. Well, no, 5 high. Yeah, more than 20. Yeah. I want to be able to. I'm going to be able to do a truckload a day.